Mutino-ini kuma thoko ya Kaithe niho ndege ino ya ruhonge rwa borithi iria igukuite maabitha ana anene a ugitiri a gitaru kia irathiro hamwe na atwarithia eri igeire na mutino. Aikari a guku magitariria uria ndege ino yonekire igithiururuka kwa ihinda mbere ya mutino uyu kuhanika, na nio mambire gutengera haha kuhonokia aria mauma thiini.
Sasa vile tu nimesikia sauti ya ndege, nikasikia hiyo ndege vile inaenda ndio inabadilisha hiyo sauti, kuangalia juu huku nikaona hiyo ndege, kukakaa hiyo ndege nikasikia imeanguka.
Mbemba kwa muda mrefu hapa kusunguka ni vile hali ya hewa labda ilikuwa kulikuwa na makungu kiasi.
Maabitha aya mahonokio magitengerio thibitari-ini nene ya Meru kuria mathaitĩirwo matanacoka gukuo na ndege nginyagia kiharo-ini kia Wilson Nairobi, kuria mamukirirwo ni minister wa ugitiri Fred Matiang'i na munene wa borithi Hilary Mutyambai, otiga commissioner Isaiah Nakuru uria uma hatĩka-ini.
Although our colleagues are injured, 4 of them not very critically, they're out of danger. They have been flown to Nairobi. One of them, our regional commissioner for Eastern, Mr. Isaiah Nakuru, is critically injured. He has been undergoing a procedure at the hospital, but we have been told, thankfully, that his condition is stabilizing. Our colleagues from the Air Force are going for him, and they will bring him to Nairobi later this evening.
Riri bara iria ikoretwo igithie na mbere muhaka-ini wa Wajir na Marsabit icungiririe ikuũ cia andu angi ana, Matiang'i akiuga ihinda ni ikinyu thirikari igarurire uria ikoretwo igitwarithia ugitiri gicigo-ini kiu kia rugongo rwa irathiro ria bururi.
We in the Ministry of Interior are the ones who have paid the highest price because of the conflict around Marsabit area and that part of. That is how we lost even our Assistant Minister for Interior, the late Meru. That's how we lost so many members of Parliament. We have lost 2 county commissioners there. We have lost our regional commissioner, the late Mr. Jalanga. We have lost senior police officers in that area. We have lost almost 3 planes in that side when everybody tries to find a solution in that part of the country.
Maabitha aya magithie na mbere kwamukira urigiti thibitari-ini wa Forces Memorial. Ruhonge rwa urugamiriri wa ndege guku bururi-ini ni rwambikite uthuthuria wa kumenya kiria gicungireirie mutino ucio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.